Let's learn some alphabets with colors. Yellow color, green color, red color, light green color, sky blue color, light green color. A for ant, A for ant. Orange color. B for balloon, B for balloon. Light pink color. C for car, C for car. Light green color. D for dog, D for dog. Orange color. E for egg, E for egg. Light pink color. F for frog, F for frog. Light green color. G for girl, G for girl. Orange color. S for hen, S for hen. Light pink color. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Light green color. J for joker, J for joker. Orange color. K for kite, K for kite. Light pink color. L for lamp, L for lamp. Light green color. M for money, M for money. Orange color. N for net, N for net. Light pink color. O for owl, O for owl. Light green color. P for parrot, P for parrot. Light pink color. Q for quill, Q for quill. Light green color. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. Orange color. S for snake, S for snake. Light pink color. T for trophy, T for trophy. Light green color. U for unicorn, U for unicorn. Orange color. V for violin, V for violin. Light pink color. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. Light green color. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Orange color. Y for yo-yo, Y for yo-yo. Light pink color. Z for zebra, Z for zebra.